Attention foreigner, if you are tax resident in Spain for 2023, don't skip this video because we are going to explain which obligation you have to comply with. This obligation is called the income tax declaration and you must submit it between April the 3rd till July the 1st. So stay until the end of this video to discover all details you must know to submit your tax declaration. But first of all, what's the income tax declaration? The income tax declaration is the most important tax that individuals have to submit in Spain. You have to include all your worldwide income and you will have to pay depending on how much income did you receive in 2023. But who has to submit this income tax declaration? If you are a tax resident for 2023 in Spain, you are going to be obligated to submit the tax return. And who is considered tax resident here? There are three different criteria that the tax authorities use to establish who is tax resident in Spain. The first criteria is how much time you spend in Spain. If you spend more than 183 days in Spain in 2023, you are going to be considered automatically tax resident here. Also, if all your economic interests are in Spain, you can be considered tax resident here. This could be that you are working for a Spanish company, you have a Spanish company here, or you set up your own freelance activity from Spain. And the third criteria that they use is if your spouse and your children live in Spain. In this situation, you are going to be obligated to submit your tax declaration here. As you may see, there are three different criteria that the tax authorities use to establish who is tax resident in Spain. So, if you do not comply with these criteria, you are going to be considered as a non-tax resident in Spain. So, you are not going to be obligated to declare your worldwide income here. In regards to the three different criteria that we commented, you are going to be obligated to submit your tax declaration here if you receive salaries for more than 22,000 euros per year, or if you receive passive income for more than 1,600 euros per year. This could be interest, dividends, or capital gains. Before continue with the other points of this video, let me remind you that you can subscribe to our channel to stay updated on immigration to Spain. So, well, how does the income tax declaration works? We have to divide our income into different groups. There are active income and passive income. Active income are salary, pensions, your activity as a freelance, or rental income. And passive incomes is considered dividends, interest, and capital gains. We have to differentiate between these two groups of income because the tax rates are different. If you receive active income, the tax rate goes from 19% up to 47%. And if you receive passive income, the tax rate goes from 19% up to 26%. How do I have to submit my income tax declaration? We can do it completely online, and you will have to fill a form including all your income. Also, keep in mind that depending on the comunidad autónoma that you are living, there are going to be different communications. Once we have completed our form, we can have a draft of the form that we are going to submit, and we are going to see if we have to pay or if the tax authorities must pay us a refund. In case we have to pay, we can choose if we can do it in one payment, in 2 installments, or if we need to pay in more than 2 installments. And now, a very important question that we always get asked from our clients. How can I save money while paying my taxes in Spain? There are different bonifications that we can apply in your income tax to minor the result. Well, as we said, there are different bonifications depending on the comunidad autónoma that you are living, but there are also state bonifications that we all can apply. For example, if you have a pension plan and you contribute in more than 1,500 euros per year, you can deduct this amount from your tax declaration. Also, if you are a freelance and you develop your activity from Spain, you can deduct all the expenses that you need to develop the activity and also an extra 500 euros if you have a private health insurance. Another bonification that you can apply is 60% on the profit that you obtain of rental incomes, if this rental is for a permanent residence. Another bonification that we can apply is our donations to ONGs or to political parties. And the last one that we are going to comment today is payments to professional colleges. As you can see, the income tax declaration is a very complex procedure that you have to deal with every year. Especially if you receive income from abroad, you will have to look at it carefully. And that's why we are here. We can help you preparing your tax declaration and of course solving all your doubts regarding bonifications, income, and how you can fill your income tax declaration. Well, we've just created a special form that is in our website that you can fulfill it easily so we can see how can we help you. So this is all for today in regards to the income tax declaration. As always, if you need some extra help, you have some doubts and we can help you with that, you can send us an email at info@immigrationspain.es. And we will be more than happy to help you. And as always, if you didn't do it yet, you can subscribe to our channel to be updated on immigration to Spain. Thank you and see you in the next video.